AWS Bedrock provides you API access to existing foundation models from third parties and from AWS itself. Foundation models are large language models in specific fields. These models are pre-trained on large datasets. With AWS Bedrock, you can access these pre-trained models with API calls. Then fine-tune these models as per your company's own dataset. Fine-tuning means to customize these models as per your own company's requirements. For now, AWS is offering foundation models like Jurassic 2, which is multilingual and can generate text in various languages. Claude's Anthropic can do a lot of conversational tasks. Titan is from AWS and has two types of models. One is text generating model like ChatGPT, and the other one is embedding models. So in summary, Amazon Bedrock or AWS Bedrock allows you to access existing models through an API call. So this is what AWS Bedrock is. Thanks for listening.